Good morning to all first year students. We will discussing our new chapter, that is chapter 3, social process. ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆಗಳು, social process. Social process, where there is a social process, it must have social interaction. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಇದೆಯೋ, ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಇದೆಯೋ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಅಂತಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟೂ ಫೇಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್. ಒಂದೇ ನಾಣ್ಯದ ಎರಡು ಮುಖಗಳಿದ್ದಂತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ where there is a social process or without social interaction, social process does not exist in the society. Where there is a social interaction, society must have various social process. Okay, before discussing some of the social process in the society, we discuss first of all what is social interaction. ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಅಂತಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಏನು ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. Definition of social interaction and various forms of social interaction, and also two elements of social interaction. Okay, let's discuss what is social interaction. Before that small introduction, social interaction is the foundation of society. Social interaction is foundation of society. It is the very essence of social life, and without interaction there would be no group life. Thus social interaction can be said that interaction is the basic social process. Interaction is the basic social process. Interaction is ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್. Social interaction represent dynamic nature of human society. Social interaction represent dynamic nature of society. Dynamic nature is nothing but a changing nature. It is changing society to society. Dynamic nature of society. Okay, and both action element and functional element itself represent the social interaction. Both action element and functional element itself represent the social interaction. Okay, let's discuss what is social interaction, or one definition about social interaction. According to Ian Robertson, social interaction is the process by which people act towards or respond to other people. Ian Robertson says that social interaction is a process. Social interaction is a process by which people act towards or respond to other people. One people acts or towards respond to other people. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐಎನ್ ರಾಬರ್ಟ್ಸನ್ ಅವರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಅಂತಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಜನರು ಇತರರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಅಂತಕ್ರಿಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಡಗಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಇತರೆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅಂತಕ್ರಿಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಡಗಿಕೊಂಡು ಅವರ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಕಲ್ಪಿಸುವುದನ್ನು, ಅಥವಾ ಅವರ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಗೆ ಸ್ಪಂದಿಸುವುದನ್ನು, ಅಥವಾ ಅವರ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಮಾಡುವುದೇ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಅಂತಕ್ರಿಯೆ. ಯಾರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ? ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಐಎನ್ ರಾಬರ್ಟ್ಸನ್. Okay, this is about social interaction. What is social interaction? And types of social interaction or forms of social interaction. There can be mainly two forms of there may be social interaction can be formed or classified in two types or two forms. First one is direct interaction, and second one is symbolic interaction. Direct interaction and ಅಂತಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಸೀನ್ ಇನ್ ಸಚ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಾಣುವ ಹಾಗೆ. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ಪುಷಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ದೂಡುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಎಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಎಂಬ್ರೇಸಿಂಗ್, ಡಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಅದರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾಡಿಲಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೆಸ್ಚರ್ ಕಾಣಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ, ಏನೋ ಬಾಡಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ಕಾಣಬೇಕು, ಬಾಡಿಲಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಅದರ್ ಗೆಸ್ಚರ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ spoken or in the written form. Okay, this is one form of social one form of interaction, that is direct interaction. And second form of interaction is symbolic interaction, ಸಾಂಕೇತಿಕ ಅಂತಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. symbolic interaction is a summary of experience. It is a summary of experience, summary of experience, total experience, summary of experience. It may represent an object, act, quality, value, idea or any expected response. It may be represented as an object, act, quality, object, act, quality, value, idea or value, idea or any expectation or expected response, any expected response. And language is a rich storehouse of such symbols, or language is rich storehouse of such symbols. ಅಂದ್ರೆ language ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವುದು, ಭಾಷೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವುದು ಸಾಂಕೇತಿಕ ಅಂತಕ್ರಿಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಪಾತ್ರವನ್ನು ವಹಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. Language is rich storehouse, ಅಂದ್ರೆ important of such symbols. Okay, this is these are the two forms of interaction, direct interaction and symbolic interaction. We discussed what is social interaction and forms of social interaction. Next we discussing two conditions of social interaction. Conditions of social interaction. Social interaction. Conditions of social interaction. Park and Burger's opinion that contact and communication are two main conditions of social interaction. Who? Park and Burger's opinion that contact and communication are the two important conditions of interaction. Okay, social interaction, which are contact and communication are two main condition of social interaction. Opinion by Park and Burgers. First we discuss contact. It is one of the important condition of social interaction. Contact is the first stage of interaction. It is the first stage of interaction. Contact is the first stage of interaction. Contact means simply coming together of individual. Contact means simply coming together individuals. It involves a mutual response and inner adjustment of behavior to the action of others. And there may be two kinds of contacts are there. Which are two contacts of two forms of contacts. One is contact in time and another one is contact in space. Contact in time and contact in space. These are two relations through customs, traditions, folkways, morals, etc. Contact in time refers to group with the earlier generations through customs, traditions, folkways, customs, traditions, folkways, morals, etc. Okay, it is called as customs in time, and customs in space refers to relationship between a contemporary individual and group with a particular area. Relationship between a contemporary individual and group. Relations between a contemporary individual and group with a particular area. And contact are primary and personal, and also contact are secondary and impersonal. Contact are primary and personal in nature, personal, secondary and impersonal in nature. And next we discussing communication. Next condition is communication. Communication is second conditions of social interaction. Communication is the medium of interaction. In communication, one person informs from the behavior of the behavior, idea or feeling of other person. Communication, one person infers from the behavior of another. That is the idea or feeling of other person. And it may take place. Communication may take place at three levels, mainly at three levels. And then first level is through senses. Communication takes place through senses. Second level is through emotions and sentiment. Emotions and sentiment. And third level is through ideas. Communication through ideas. These are three levels of communication. And two forms of levels. First two levels are natural form of communication. First two levels, that is through senses and through emotions and sentiment, are the natural forms of communication. Natural forms of communication, and they are common to man and animal on the sensory levels. Andre ee ಎರಡು ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗಳು through senses and emotions and sentiment are natural form of communication, and also these are common to both man and animals on the sensory level, like seeing, hearing, touching, smelling, etc. And communication on the third level, that is ideas, third level, taking place through the intellect in strictly limited to man. It is takes place in strictly limited to man. And here in communication, speech and language plays vital role in the communication. Speech and language plays vital role in communication. And person must having the language, or person must knowing the any language, or language plays an important role to a man for transmit his ideas to his fellow being. One person transmit his ideas for his fellow being. The language is necessary to him. Okay, these are the important conditions of social interaction, that is contact and communication. In contact, there are two forms of contact, that is a contact in time and contact in speech, and in communication there are three levels of communication, through senses level. First level is through senses, second is emotions and sentiment, and third level is through ideas. Okay, now we discussing about the social process, ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆಗಳೇನು ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡೋಣ. This system of social relationship, we may witness such a relationship between father and son relationship, or father and children relationship, or family and employee and employees, employer and employee relationship, doctor and patient relationship, teacher and students relationship. This all relationship sociology must analyze and classify social relationship, because they represent social fact and social data. And social relation represent functional aspect of social relation represent functional aspect of society. Social relation represent functional aspect of society. Functional aspect of society. Social process are the fundamental ways in which men interact and establish relationship. It is a fundamental ways. Social process is a fundamental ways in which men interact and establish relationship. Totally, it establishes social relationship. Okay. Now we understand what is social process. For that, one definition, according to A.W. Green, social process are merely the characteristics ways in which interaction occurs. He says that A.W. Green says that social process are merely the characteristics ways in which interaction occurs between the person, or interaction occurs in the group. Okay. ಅಂದ್ರೆ A.W. ಗ್ರೀನ್ ರವರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಅಂತಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಅಂತಕ್ರಿಯೆಗಳು ಏರ್ಪಡುವಂತಹ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ವಿಧಾನವನ್ನು ಅವರೇನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಅಂತ. In next class we will discussing various forms or various types of social process. Thank you.